Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add content with blocks in Squarespace. This is a fundamental skill for building out your website pages, whether you're adding videos, images, text, or other elements to make your site more engaging and functional. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Squarespace dashboard where you can see all your websites and projects. On the dashboard, you'll see a list of websites associated with your account. Simply click on the website where you want to add content with blocks. This opens up the specific site's editing environment, giving you access to all the customization tools you need. Once your site loads, look to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the Edit Site button. Click on it, then click the Edit button that appears. This action puts you into the editing mode where you can start making changes to your pages and adding new content blocks. Now select the section on your page where you want to add new content. You'll notice an Add Block option appears. Click on it to open up the block menu. Squarespace offers a wide variety of blocks for different content types, from text and images to videos and galleries. For this example, let's try adding a video block first. Scroll through the options and click on Video. Once the video block appears on your page, you'll see a small pencil icon on it. Click this icon to open the video settings. This is where you'll configure what video content you want to display in the video settings. Click Add a Video. You'll be presented with several options for adding your video content. You can upload a file directly from your computer, select from your existing library of media, or add from a link. For this tutorial, we'll choose Add from Link since it's quick and straightforward. Paste the URL of the video you want to embed and click Add. Give it a moment to process and load. Now your video block has content and is ready to be displayed on your site. Let's try another type of block to see how versatile this system is. Click Add Block again, and this time select Image from the menu. Just like with the video block, you'll see a pencil icon on the image block. Click it to access the image settings. Now click the plus icon to add an image. Similar to the video options, you'll have several choices here. You can upload a file, select from your library, browse stock images, or even upload from mobile. For this demonstration, we'll use Select from Library since it's the fastest option if you already have images uploaded. Browse through your library, select the image you want to use, and click Add. The image will now populate your block and appear on your page. And there you have it. Those are some clear examples of how you can add content to your blocks in Squarespace. The process is straightforward and works similarly across different block types, making it easy to build rich, dynamic pages for your website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.